Opposition parties have lashed out at the Goa government over curtailing of the Goa Assembly's budget session from 5 days to 4 days on the pretext of Ram Navami festival on 30th March. In January 2023, the winter session was also 4 days only, while the previous monsoon session was shortened to 10 days. Ideally, a budget session should be at least 21 days. It shows scant respect for answerability to the people, and government is scared of the opposition and is running away from the Mhadei issue, opposition alleged. Listen to their reaction.
Basically, I condemn this move of this government to curtail the session from 5 days to 4 days. This is a murder of democracy. Basically, in the BAC, जे business advisory committee जी meeting जाता, या meeting we will raise this issue. We had given our objections in the past. This government doesn't have the will, and they are rattled by the opposition. That is why they are using these sort of tactics to curtail this assembly session. I request the Honorable Speaker to intervene into this matter because it is a very serious matter. We as opposition MLAs or every MLAs, our rights have been curtailed. I request the Honorable Speaker to look into it. We will raise this into the BAC meeting, and all the voices and all the issues of Goa and Goans we will raise as one opposition, and unitedly we will raise all these issues.
Budget session curtailment, you are speaking about that. What is budget? What is session? हेजेर पहिले समजिका आसपाक जाय. बजेट म्हणल्यार जे डेली लोक टॅक्स भरता, सकाळी उठल्या पासून राती न्हिदोंक वयता ते पर्यंत टॅक्स भरीत आसता, कित्या ना कित्याचेर टॅक्स भरता. ते पयशे एकठांय करून 25-30 करोड हो गोंयचो सरकार लेजिस्लेचराचे म्हणजे विधानसभेन हो पयसो कसो मोडपाचो, कसो येतलो अदमास आनी कसो मोडपाचो, हेका म्हणटा बजेट. हें ताणें विधानसभेन दवरूंक जाय. आतां तेका डिस्कशन करपाक थोडो तरी टायम लागूंक जाय. टायम लागताच. रोखडे 4 दिसां भितर हें सगळें जायना. आनी हाजे पयलीं अशे खूब फावटी प्रयत्न जाल्ले तेन्ना हेच BJP ऑपोजिशनान आसतना व्हडलो बोवाळ घाली, सेशन कर्टेल करता म्हणून. पूण कितें आतां हें सगळें इन्स्टिट्युशनल फ्रेमवर्क जें आसा ते ह्या सरकाराच्या राज्यान इन्स्टिट्युशनल फ्रेमवर्क कॉलेप्स करून उडोवपाक सगळे वाटेन एक अटॅक जायत आसा. हें आमी पळयता. तांकां दिसता आसतलें सगळें आमचेंच, ऑपोजिशनूय आमचेंच, रुलींगूय आमचेंच. खरें म्हणजे इवन रुलींग पार्टीचे MLAन हेजेर निशेध मारपाक जाय आनी उलोवपाक जाय ओपन.
The very essence of the legislature, the parliament, has been made a mockery by this brute majority government. We are seeing it in parliament, we are seeing it in every state assembly where this brute majority and this government, double engine sarkar, are functioning. So, what are we actually heading for? Absolutely, the brute majority has made them arrogant and absolutely functioning in a dictatorial manner. Every democratic institution that was meant for the purpose of having a healthy democracy is being ruined by this. Very recently, the Supreme Court has laid down the principles of appointing the Chief Election Commissioner and Election Commissioner to have a free and fair poll. And the principles are that a panel headed by the Prime Minister, the leaders of opposition and the Chief Justice of India would be the authority to decide on this. So we can see at least we have a judiciary today standing up. Let's hope and pray only God can save this country.
Freddy Fernandez and Sagun Gowde for Herald TV.